Howdy, welcome to Roadrunner Lodge here in Tucumcari, New Mexico. I'm your host, David Brunner.
This is Route 66.
Roadrunner Lodge Motel, this is David. How may I help you? You need one bed or two? So, Roadrunner Lodge Motel is a 1960s experience brought back from the past. It has modern conveniences. These towels, thick and thirsty. But you get that mid-century flair that you will find nowhere else.
Oh, we have nice pillows.
Details? We're all about the details.
Our housekeeping, it's the best.
Well, all of our rooms are redone in mid-century style, but we do have a few of our premium experience rooms. We call them our snazzy 60s rooms.
We love the 60s, man.
They have features such as the Magic Fingers vibrating bed massagers. We have our own radio station. We play music and commercials from the 50s and 60s in those rooms.
Develop to glamour bathe each tiny strand of hair so that it fairly radiates natural, dazzling highlight.
It's the little things that make the difference.
These units are quiet.
Beyond that, we have toys and games from the 50s and 60s also as just neat little features. The lighting is upgraded. The overall experience is a cut above, which you'll find anywhere else.
Moon pie? Need breakfast? Just across the street.
Oh, look at him. What's your dog's name? Well, great. Yeah, we're all about the experience.
Plastic for your wine? Not here. The details are what make it a 60s experience.
If you have any questions, just give us a call back. Thank you. Safe travels.